Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Tradovate to TradingView. Connecting Tradovate allows you to execute futures trades and monitor your account directly from TradingView. So once you've logged into your TradingView account, you will just have to select any chart you want. So for example, this chart right here, and then you will just have to click full chart, and then you will go ahead and click trading panel, and once you're here you will just have to click find broker and then go ahead and look for Tradovate. So yeah, as you can see, this is our Tradovate. So you will just have to basically enter your Tradovate username and then your password, and then you will just have to click connect. And yeah, that's basically how you can connect your Tradovate to your trading view. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you did find it helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.